Imagine a place so perfectly hidden that it served as the inspiration for one of the world's most famous travel novels, The Beach. Yet, hardly anyone knows its true story. The THONG National Marine Park is a masterpiece sculpted over millions of years. It is a network of 42 islands guarding a secret that can only be truly grasped from the air. In this video we will show you why the so-called bowl of gold is more valuable today than ever before, and why most visitors completely overlook its most vital part. To understand the scale of this natural gem, here are a few facts. The archipelago covers a total area of 102 square kilometers, of which an impressive 80% is pure marine territory. Geographically, this protected marine park is located in the Suratani district, exactly 28 kilometers northwest of Koh Samui. It is, above all, the biological diversity that makes this place so unique. The ecosystem is divided into several forest types, from specialized limestone mountain forests to dense mangroves. This pristine sanctuary has been protected as a national park since 1980 to preserve its beauty for generations to come. A striking contrast to the uninhabited wilderness is Koh Paluai, the largest island in the archipelago and the only one permanently inhabited. Here, we encounter the culture of the Chao Lai, which translates to the people of the sea. This community has lived for generations in deep harmony with the rhythms of nature. Today, Koh Paluai serves as a national model for sustainability. The residents rely almost exclusively on solar energy, blending their traditional way of life with modern environmental protection. It is a place that shows us that more in life is often found in reduction and in respect for our surroundings. What defines true luxury? For us, it's things like exploring the archipelago at your own pace. For those seeking adventure and wanting to see as many spots as possible, a modern speedboat is the choice to bridge distances quickly. However, for those who share our philosophy of slow travel, a luxury sailing yacht is the way to go. While the speedboat offers efficiency, sailing rewards you with the silence of the sea and the opportunity to anchor far away from the crowds. Either way, a day in THONG National Marine Park is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Hidden in the heart of Mai Ko Island lies another treasure, the Emerald Lake or Talanai. This saltwater lake is connected directly to the open sea via underground tunnels. It's the contrast between the deep, almost mystical green of the lake and the vibrant blue of the ocean right behind it that makes this place so magical. It's a sight you shouldn't just capture on camera, but soak in through moments of silence. On the main island of Koh Vua Talap, you will find the heart of the national park, the Pha Chan Charat viewpoint. This vantage point is legendary. Every year, thousands of visitors climb the 500-meter-long, sometimes very steep path to witness this one moment, the unique panoramic view over nearly all 42 islands of the national park. THONG National Marine Park is a reminder that true luxury is often found where man is merely a guest. When you visit Koh Samui, take the time for this experience, beyond the speedboat crowds at your own pace. Did you enjoy this perspective? If so, let us know which region we should explore next. Check out our other Thailand inspirations here. Thank you for watching, we will see you in the next video.